Whoa! Milo, look! A rainbow! It's so colorful. But where did all those colors come from? Is the sky painting with colors? Or is it something even more magical? Let's be scientists and find out. See this? Sunlight looks white or yellow to us. But is it really just one color?
Sunlight isn't just white, it has all the colors hiding inside it.
Like a secret surprise party inside a beam of light.
First comes red, like a cozy crackling fire.
Then orange, like a big juicy tangerine.
Yellow, bright as the sunny sun. Green, like the tallest leafy tree.
And blue, like the big wide sky above us.
Red, orange, yellow, green, the prettiest colors you've ever seen. Blue, indigo, violet too, that's the rainbow, me and you. Red, orange, yellow, green, the prettiest colors you've ever seen. Blue, indigo, violet too, that's the rainbow, me and you.
So Wayne, after rain, tiny water drops hang in the sky. And when sunlight hits them,
Something happens to the light? The clouds use tiny paintbrushes to color the sky.
ooh, but Milo, how would we test that idea?
No clouds, no rain, and no rainbow. So clouds aren't the painters after all.
That's great science, Milo. Being wrong just helps us find what's right.
The raindrop bends the light, and bending separates all its secret colors.
The raindrop is like a tiny color splitter.
Hey, can you spot something at home that makes a rainbow? Maybe a glass of water or a sunny window?
Okay, now we get to split light, just like a raindrop does. Ready? Science in 3, 2, 1. Look at the wall, Milo. Whew, we made a rainbow, just like the sky po, with light and bending. So raindrops work just like our prism. They bend sunlight and split out all the colors.
Now you are a real rainbow scientist.
Let's remember, say, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
ROYGBIV.
Red, orange, yellow, green, the prettiest colors you've ever seen. Blue, indigo, violet too, that's the rainbow, me and you.
Rainbows aren't only in the sky-o. Soap bubbles make them too.
And butterfly wings. It's all light bending and bouncing.
Today, look for a rainbow somewhere. In a glass of water, a sunny window, or a puddle.
You're a rainbow scientist now too.
Sunlight plus raindrops equals rainbow. Light bends, colors spread out, and that's what we see.
Science is so beautiful. Bye-bye, Know It Kids. Keep asking why, because that's how science begins. Same time next week? Always.